friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna show you like my crafty artsy side of myself, and I am going to be making some fun Mickey ears. As you can see, I bought these rose gold ones from the park, but if you know Disney and you know what time it is the Food and Wine Festival at Epcot, which everyone loves. And I mean, I just went the other day for the first time for this season, and it's so yummy. If you have the chance to get down here before, like, I think it's November 12th, 13th, do so and go to Epcot for some yummy food and wine, because you won't be disappointed. I promise you that. But anyways, I'm actually doing these ears because I'm making them for a fun surprise for my mom. She's never treated herself to ears, and she's coming down here in the next few weeks for her birthday. And I thought it would be really fun because she's obsessed with food and wine as well. I thought it'd be fun if I made some special themed ears for her. But before we get into any of this, please, 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 if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure to do that. That way you always stay notified with everything that I'm bringing to you. Usually it's style, beauty, fitness, unboxing, hauls, whatever it may be. But today I'm going to be doing a DIY because, you know, sometimes you just gotta get a little crafty. Alright y'all, and I am so happy with how these turned out. I think these are just adorable. I mean, I made these for my mom, but I think I might need to make another pair so I have some to match, because I'm obsessed with them myself. But yeah, I basically, like, it took me a little bit just because I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. I'd never done this before, like I said, but I just used my hot glue gun and I kind of went to town. So the nice thing about these grapes is that they just kind of pull off. So then I had like each single one, I just kind of put where I wanted to, and I just glued it down. I made sure to have like plenty of glue. I started with the vines, and really I used like one long vine, and I just kind of like went and wrapped it around the bow, as you can kind of see here. And then the flowers, again, artificial flowers, if you've ever worked with them or not, like, they're super easy. I love crafting with them, but you just kind of pluck the little flower off of it, and it has this like a short little stem then, so you can like kind of stick it in places where you want. So like I would put the glue in the hole first, and then I just kind of slide the flower in with hot glue. When you're working with it, like, you just need to make sure to watch your fingers, of course, but like just hold it in place where you want to for a little bit. I kind of blow on it just to help speed up the process for it to like dry a little bit faster. But yeah, I think these are adorable, especially with the rose gold. It just, the mauve blush colors, oh, I just love it all. It's so pretty. And then again, I just put the cork right there in the middle, and it's perfect for Disney. Once upon a time, Vine, get it? But yeah, it's so cute. I know she's gonna love these, and yeah, if you end up liking these, please let me know. Please give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Also, if you haven't, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you always are knowing what I'm creating, what I'm talking about. Also hit that bell. That way you always get notified every time I upload a new video. Please leave me a question or comment below. Maybe let me know if you like these. If you're interested in them, let a girl know. I'll get you hooked up with some ears. We'll do some like private little chatting and get things worked out. Okay guys, have a wonderful day, and thank you again for stopping by. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye.